Hi. Today we're going to test a diesel engine that's been converted to natural gas by Omnitech USA. We're going to test this engine and see how it compares to a diesel generator set. Let's have a look at the engine. Here we've got the Cummins KTA 38 litre engine, V12 diesel engine, which has been converted to natural gas. So we've got an incoming gas supply here, regulated down from 200 bar with 2-stage regulator. 2 turbos on this engine. Here we've got high output ignition coils feeding spark plugs in the engine with a capacitor. We've got the ECU.